here a question about a blessing. Two questions. The first question I have is about Deuteronomy. I think it was there.
About what? I apologize. About what?
Deuteronomy or Devarim or Leviticus, I think, about the Kohanim, that it says that if somebody has a growth in his eyebrow, cannot perform as a Kohen. Does it mean that men must adjust that area?
No. I mean, if it's possible. So today, that's a good question. So today you have some plastic surgery, right? Some things you can remove, but in olden days, it was not possible to remove. Right? No, like you can kill a person. No, nobody would do that. Right? So if there are some blemishes in a Kohanim, so they're not allowed to serve in the temple, but they are still allowed to get all these other gifts, right? They just don't serve in the temple. The Truma is given to them. Truma Maser is given to them. Right? All of the portion from sacrifices are given to them. So the only thing, so HaShem wants only good-looking, like perfect people perfect-looking people to serve in His temple, and it's normal. Right? Like if you go all of this in England, right? They have these guards, so they don't take just anybody. I think you have to be certain height and you like certain weight, certain look, certain this, certain that, certain personality, in order to serve the queens or king guard. So it's same as in all of the countries, right? In order to serve in a palace, you have to have some kind of look. You understand? And same if you go like look around the world, all of the presidents of the country, they are all of them nice looking, like handsome, like the men, all of them. You understand? So nobody would take like, even he's a genius, but if he has a mole, something like here there's a growth in his cheek or something, like bald spot, like I don't know, like all of the crazy things on his face or some other deficiency. So people not going to worry, but maybe he's a great politician. Maybe he's going to bring the economy up, right? After for 50 years, all of these nice looking clowns, right? But people not going to vote with him. Okay, go ahead. Yes.
So it's not referring to the hair that grows above the eyes.
Okay, that's exactly that's one of the issues. That is the whole list. But yeah, if he has like very thick eyebrows and here there is no bridge, like one big eyebrow, and so some people have a thicker eyebrows, right? I mean, I'm talking about men, right? So and men not supposed to twist them. So for women, yeah, they can twist, they can do whatever they want. There is no problem, but for men, yeah, it would not be allowed. So and so for people, it's like deficiency, and they would stare at this coin, and not would forget about the sacrifice itself. You understand? So that's so we try not to detract from the awe of the place, and not from performance of the sacrifices. Okay.
Thanks, because I thought it was, I tried to find explanations or commentaries, but it was hard to find.
Yeah, the whole list of blemishes that disqualify the Kohen. For example, if he limps, right? So maybe he broke his leg. Is it like make him a bad person? No, it does not make him a bad person. But a person like this cannot serve in a temple. So if it's temporary and it's going to heal back, and he stop limping, so there is no problem. He can go back and serve as a Kohen.